Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, which is Unpacking with Mishak. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe for more content like this one. So today I just want to quickly talk about MK Party and Jacob Zuma, as we've learned that their spokesperson Hlamlo Ndlela has been fired from his position. We don't know yet. I don't know if now it has been announced as to who's going to be the party's spokesperson. You remember very well, even last week, MK, or rather President Zuma, received a resignation letter from Penny Penny saying that he no longer wants to be part of the party. So it seems very well, or it has become a pattern with MK that a lot of good people always leave the party with reasons remaining unknown. So we don't know, but with the likes of Penny, I knew very well that he wouldn't last or he won't last on that part because Penny has been someone who have been very vocal around the issue of tribalism, and we know for a fact that a lot of people who are forever, causing or rather coming up with tribalism acts are mostly people from KZN, which mostly are Zulus. So Penny joining MK, I always knew that a day like that will come where it will feel unwelcomed from the party because MK is predominantly Zulu people. Yes, there are Sotho people there and there, but most of the people there, if maybe we were to estimate through a percentage, you would say maybe 80% are Zulu there. So obviously a party like that will always have someone like Penny feels a bit inferior because of how maybe he was treated by like the leadership. We don't know, but I know very well that Penny has been fighting the issue of tribalism. So him aligning with MK, I always knew that it was a big mistake, or it was something that was not going to last, because I know that he's the one that always advocate for the end of tribalism. So knowing very well that a lot of people came out from MK saying that they were mistreated because they were not Zulus. So I knew very well that people like Penny wouldn't last. I don't know where it's going to now that he left MK, but yeah, he left MK. So now with Hlamlo Ndlela, always a lot of people always say that it seemed like one of the things that made Hlamlo Ndlela to be untouchable on the MK, or rather in MK, it was because of the relationship that he had with Duduzile. So hence, even now, I think on Twitter, I saw something where she was writing that she was the one that made that recruitment possible for Hlamlo Ndlela to be the spokesperson of the MK party. So obviously, if maybe he happens to fall out with her, obviously she will tell her dad to say, you know what, dad, you remember I'm the one who brought this guy. So maybe this time it's time for him to go, because it was not said as to why Hlamlo Ndlela is being fired from his position. So we don't know. Maybe he had a fallout with Duduzile, because you know very well that Duduzile is so fond, or she has a good relationship with her dad, which is President Zuma. So maybe Hlamlo Ndlela did something, or rather offended her. That's why he was let go, because it was not said as to why Hlamlo Ndlela is leaving the organization. We only know that he's leaving the organization, but reasons